Let's talk about Le Creuset Stoneware Small Utensil Jar, 1.1 liters Teal. Holds 1.1 liters. Suitable for use in the oven up to 260 degrees Celsius 500 degrees Fahrenheit and under the grill. Microwave, freezer and dishwasher safe. Hygienic enameled cooking surface, will not absorb or transfer food flavors or odors. Very strong and durable, resists chipping, cracking and staining. The proportions of this jar is just perfect. I use it mainly for my plastic utensils as the other jar I have got became too tall for them, resulting in that it was often a hassle to use due to the plastic utensils being curved. The only negative is the logo on the jar, but this is just my taste as I don't like showing off the brands of my kitchenware. These jars are brilliant. You can use it as advertised as a utensil jar, or you could actually use it to cook in. As it's made out of the same materials as all the other stoneware, it will act the same. Its home is right next to my cooker, jam-packed with over 15 different utensils, and usually gets splashed by the odd spitting sauce or frying pan oil and can be simply cleaned by just wiping with a cloth or can be put into the dishwasher if heavily soiled. Overall, the price reflects what it is: quality materials and beautiful style. This will complement every kitchen, and with the range of different colors, there is something for every color scheme. I got this because I needed a utensil holder that wouldn't tip over from the weight of the utensils. It's a bit pricey, but it's nice and heavy does the job. The picture is quite deceiving with regards to the color. From the picture, I thought it would be two-tone color, but it is one solid color in the darker purple, hence giving 4 stars not 5.